Hello everyone, this is Cozy and I'm gonna demonstrate how to make a fabric wallet. So let's take your materials. This is our pattern, so now you can pause your video and check their sizes. The next one that I'm gonna show you is take the main fabrics and the linings. So now you want to have some seam allowance all the way around. Let's take the interfacing and put it sticky and shiny side down. And then press it with your iron. The next one we're gonna do is top stitch along where I'm pointing my finger. It's time to take the lining too, because we're gonna make our zipper panel. Look at how I'm folding it to make card panels carefully. Now what you want to do is take the lining one, put the zipper panel on it. Next, we're gonna stitch along the line. Now stitch along the line again. Let us stitch. Our next step is take the zipper and fabrics to make our zipper tabs. After placing the tabs, you want to stitch along the lines. Next, we're gonna take and put the fabrics right sides up, and then put the zipper on the one fabric. So now put the other fabrics wrong side up and stitch. Now flip it over and grab and fold the one layer. Next, fold the other layer and stitch. Let's turn them right sides out. It's time to make the side panels, so now stitch along the lines. Maybe you should clip those corners and trim the excess fabrics, because this is gonna make them easier when you turn them right sides out. Now let us stitch. Next, what you want to do is combine with the zipper panel the side panels, so now stitch along the lines. The next one that I'm gonna show you is attach the female side of the snap and the lining. Attach the male side of the snap on the main fabric. After sewing, put them right sides together and stitch along the line except the opening. I'm closing the opening with leather stitch. Now 2 more steps, your wallet is complete. Let us stitch along where I'm pointing my finger. I did the same thing with the opposite side. Well done! Thank you for watching me and see you next video. Bye!